we have y equals x squared hyperbolic cosine of x plus cotangent inverse of 2x. And we are asked to differentiate and simplify this function. I'm going to ask you to pause the video and try to work it out. Okay, so you've completed your attempt. Let's look at this. This first part is a function of x multiplied by another function of x. So we'll have to use the product rule for that part. And then here you have a function of a function of x. So this calls for the chain rule. Alright? So let's look at this. dy by dx is equal to, apply the product rule, you hold x squared as it is, times, I'm going to use dots for the multiplication, times hyperbolic cosine of x plus, you hold the hyperbolic cosine of x times, times d by dx I should write. So it's you hold x squared times, you differentiate the hyperbolic cosine of x plus, hold the hyperbolic cosine of x times, you differentiate x squared. Plus, well, we're going to differentiate, so we find the derivative with respect to x of cotangent, should be cotangent inverse of 2x, alright? Now, let us see what happens here. We have this is equal to, so dy by dx is equal to x squared times, what is the hyperbolic, the derivative of the hyperbolic cosine of x. We look at our formula sheet, and we see that the hyperbolic cosine of x, cos x, when you differentiate it, when you find the first derivative, you get sin x. Alright? So cos x differentiated is sin x. So this is sin x plus, you hold cos x as it is times the derivative of x squared is 2x. You could put the 2x in front here. Okay? Plus, now this part, what is the derivative of the cotangent inverse of something? Let's see. Okay, the cotangent inverse of x is negative 1 over 1 plus x squared. But this is the cotangent inverse of a function. Let's do a little rough work to the side. Suppose you are given y is equal to cot, is equal to cot inverse of 2x. You use a substitution. Let u be equal to 2x. So therefore, y is equal to cotangent inverse of u. Now the y by dx is dy by du times du by dx. But what is dy by du? Well, y is equal to cot inverse of u. So if we had cot inverse of x, we would have negative 1 over 1 plus x squared. So when we have cot inverse of u, we have negative 1 over 1 plus u squared. So this is negative 1 over 1 plus u squared. Did you see that? Make sure you're following. And times du by dx. If u is 2x, then du by dx is 2. So what we have is negative 2 over 1 plus u squared. But what is u squared? We have negative 1 over 1 plus u was 2x. So u squared is 2x r squared. 2x squared will be 4x squared, right? So that's what we have here. So, hold on. I said negative 1, negative 2 it should be. It's multiplied by 2. My. I have to be careful, you know, with these mistakes. It's negative 2 over 1 plus. Let's pay 2x r squared first and then simplify. So what we get for our answer is x squared. We get that dy by dx is equal to x squared sin x plus 2x cos x minus 2 over 1 plus, well, 2 2's 4 x squared. So that's what we get.